Hello traders, what's going on? Thanks for tuning in today's YouTube video. What we're going to do today, guys, is going to be some analysis. So I got some pairs for you, again, a few more than usually. So we're going to cover up EURJPY, of course, EURGBP, USDJPY, GBPUSD, and the EURUSD. So as you can see, I'm just mixing them a little bit up. And that's for a particular reason, which I'm going to explain to you immediately. But before we're going to go into the depth analysis, explaining you what kind of things I'm looking for, what kind of setups that I've planned to take in a circle, I just would like to refer here to my Instagram page to definitely check it out, because what I'm posting over here are trades that I take and trades that I send in a circle with a very nice explanation why I took them. So for example, that's the today's post that was this one over here. It was a trade that I took in a circle at 11th June, and here is a quick explanation on why I took this trade. So definitely check it out, guys. Plus, in addition, every single setup that you will see over here, I'm doing for that an analysis on YouTube. So that's super important for you, that you're watching always the whole video from the beginning till the end that I post over here, because I share here a lot of knowledge. I share on the YouTube videos everything that I see on the charts, and basically my bias is based on every single time frame. So I tell you on every single time frame what kind of situation that we have, and this is how you can have the best probabilities. The more time frames are aligning up with the same direction, the better your probability is going to be. Okay, that's just a quick tip over here for you all, how to trade my analysis here on YouTube. Okay, so basically they are here for educational purposes, so that you're going to take them, watch them, and then you will apply the knowledge in your trading plan and your knowledge. Okay, so you're going to watch every single video, and for example, I'm telling you, yeah, I'm bullish on GBPUSD for that particular reason, and then you will understand the concept behind it. Why am I looking at GBPUSD to buy and not to sell at this point? Okay, so this is kind of the thing. You're going to sum it up and try to apply it to your trading plan. If you can build out of this knowledge your own strategy, that's the best thing that you can do. And if you're struggling with it, guys, you can join anytime the mentorship. Just click the link over here for the mentorship, and we're going to get right into touch. You can write me over here a direct message on Telegram, or you can also email me if you have any questions about how this thing works. Inner circle is completely clear. I just share over there the trades that I take, and here you can also see the results, which is completely transparent in an Excel sheet. I also offer copyfix for automated copy paste system. So if you're looking to invest in me, which is kind of a good thing, if you would like to get something between 20 to 60% return of investment on a monthly basis, then check out copyfx. Okay, guys, then I would say let's get it right into the analysis, and I'm going to start off with the EURUSD. And the thing is, right now, why, the question from the beginning of the video, why am I right now even analyzing more pairs? Because I told you sometimes, very often, it's the best to focus on one certain pair. Now, the benefits of focusing on one certain pairs is that one thing, that you will understand how the smart money traders are dealing with that particular pair. Okay, now the thing is, when it comes to trading, there are a lot of strategies out there. Okay, just a quick talk about strategies right now, super important for you. You have a strategy, right? And strategy is based on probabilities. Okay, so you have a chance of between 10 to 100 to 99% to be successful, depending on what kind of risk reward you're taking. And this is what will make you at the end profitable. If you have a high risk reward with a good percentage win, then you will get very nice return of investments on the long run. Okay, now the thing is, right now, problem is with strategies is that the majority of the strategies are retail trader concepts. Okay, so they're just strategy based on probabilities. Now the thing is, how you should develop your strategy is based on the knowledge of the market. And the thing is that a lot of people over here and traders, they just have not the real knowledge about the markets. So they only have half of them, okay? For every particular thing. So for example, they do not really know what a supply zone is. This for example, for instance, this is a supply zone, okay? Now, if I will ask you what is a supply zone, the majority will tell me, yeah, it's a zone where the banks are going to push the price to the downside. And this is the thing, it's not the only thing. I mean, yes, the probability at a supply zone is very high that the banks are going to push it to the downside. But why are they doing it? Why are they interested in bringing it to the downside? And why a supply zone is not 100% necessary to bring the price to the downside? Why it could even go up higher even? And that's kind of the thing which you probably will not know. The majority will not know it, because every single trader on YouTube, every single trader on Twitter, on Instagram will tell you something different. Why? Because even they do not have the whole knowledge. And this is the most important thing. This is why I definitely recommend you to read a lot of books based on the financial institutions to understand the whole market, right? So there are a lot of good books out there to read through them, work your way up, and you will understand how this thing will work. You just need to find the strategy based on that knowledge, and this will make you super profitable at the end. If you will just do the same like 99% of the traders, you will get the same like 99% of the traders, and this is just nothing, okay? You will just get very low return of investment, but probably you will not even get some, so you will just get minus, okay? That's the thing. If you will still look here for your support resistance area, which will bring you the great profit, guys, it will simply just not work, because support resistance is also just a probability game. Something like this, everybody knows these fake outs. You need to understand why the markets are doing fake outs. And that's basically the thing which I'm teaching in the mentorship, because the knowledge that I have over there is from a real institution, and I'm going to teach it to you if you want, right? So it's then combined with a strategy, of course, because just giving you the knowledge will also be super difficult for you to figure out how to trade this thing, okay? But the best is to have knowledge and then to have a strategy which is aligned on that knowledge. And this is the only way how you can make it in Forex. If you will just look for your W patterns, for your head and shoulders pattern, stuff like this, trend lines, you will definitely not succeed. Promise you. So not on the long run. And if you would like to succeed on the long run, then you will need to be super smart. Why? Because the markets are always changing. Okay, the markets are not always the same. Look at this. During this phase, you had a lot of sideways over here. As you can see, the market was super spiky, so you could have traded a lot over here, a lot of trades. In this case, you should have been holding that position for that strong up move. And this is the thing. During this phase, you could have not traded with the same strategy that you used over here. I'm just talking over here from a retail trader concept. But if you know how the market really works, then you would have understood, okay, the market is ready over here to go crazy because of something occurred within the charts which retail traders do not see. Okay, guys. Now, that was a little bit of talk about strategy. It's super important for you because I want you guys to really understand how to use my YouTube videos, because it's not here to just tell you, okay, go long on EURUSD, go short on GBPUSD. No, I'm always telling you all possibilities which the market can do, and the work that I'm doing for you up front is I'm giving you my thoughts, I'm giving you my expectations that I have based on the current situation that I see on the charts, based on the information that I can see right now. Also for me, it's not clear what kind of direction every single pair will go unless I'm going to get my final price action confirmations. And this is a data which I cannot share with you on YouTube, because this thing is something which you need to monitorize during the day, and at the moment when I will give you that confirmation, then you will need to jump into that trade or not. Okay? Perfectly, guys. Then I would say let's get it started with EURUSD. The situation over here is still the same. We got this bullish range over here. I would like to see the market to break out to the upside, but right now the market could still go more to the downside before doing that. And also here on the weekly, we got a very important level, which is a level of demand. And when you have a level of demand like this, the chances right now definitely super high that the market will respect it, and we're going to see from here probably the bullish continuation for the EURUSD. But it's not clear because the market could still go lower, but me personally, I don't think that. Me personally, I see the EURUSD going maximum till 1.17 right now, and then I expect the market to reverse. But still, possibility is still 1.16. Definitely possible, and probably even faking out is also here within this game. Right now, I'm not interested in this level. What I'm looking for is this level, and I'm going to analyze it right now, and I'm going to understand what the charts are telling me here. What the charts are telling me over here is market was previously short, right? Short. From here, the market started big move up, and then the market broke all the way to the downside. And why the market went all the way to the downside? Well, it was because we had a level of supply over here, and the market was just moving from this zone till this zone. Now, this zone over here to the downside is also still very big. And what we're looking for is right now for the market to consolidate a little bit. This is what I would like to see. Unless the market will not give me that kind of confirmation, I cannot expect this move up. I can only expect then the market to give me small movements like this, so till this area or till this area, something like this. So maximum till this area is what I can expect currently from the EURUSD. Because what I would like to see from this chart to give me is something like this over here, guys. Something like this. If I will get here, that was a clean distribution phase. If I will get here a nice accumulation phase, then we can expect the market to definitely go up higher, to break this level and to continue with the bullish up move. But if this will not be the case, guys, then the EURUSD should still go lower. Okay, right now it's super bearish. Look at this. Every single day is closing bearish, and the expectations are here that the EURJPY will just go lower. Going lower and lower and lower. But the thing is right now, I'm not interested in looking right now for any kind of short opportunities at this level where we are currently located. Why should I even look to sell over here while we are already super low? That's kind of a risky business, and this is why I currently switched a little bit my watch list, because currently for me the EURUSD is not that nice to trade. It's for me kind of super risky. Okay, the setups are not clean, and the market is right now still bearish, of course, and probability is right now, I'm just giving you right now the zones that also I'm looking for. Possibilities to go short from here, and the next possibility will be to go short from here. So we got these two options right now where I'm looking for a potential short setup. But as you can see, it's right now not anything, nothing is confirmed right now. Okay, market is still super bearish, so I would like to see the market, in the best case for looking longs, okay, to go long, I would like to see the market actually breaking everything. So for example, if we are going to break this one, just here a scenario, and the market will not go immediately till this level, and instead of going to this level it will drop down, then I will look to buy from here, to push it into this area, and from here I would expect then the bearish continuation. That will be the higher chance for the EURUSD. Okay, but if the price will come from here straight to this level, then I will look from there to go for a short. But the possibility is also there that we're going to break it, and if we're going to break this level over here, then the price will go like this, and then I'm going to look somewhere to look for a buy. Okay, so look at this. This is how I'm always looking at every single chart. I'm looking at it from a multi-possibility way, because you can never say 100% what the market will do. But if you have the knowledge what the market should do and why it has to do some certain things, it will dramatically increase your win rate and your probabilities. Okay, and right now these are the things that I'm looking for. Okay, now let's see what the market will do. Like I told you, from here all the possibilities, we should go also straight short is here. But for me, for example, this scenario is something which I will not even look for, because I'm not interested that much in that one, because the probability is super high that we're going to just push through that level. Okay, that's the EURUSD. Let's have a look on the GBPUSD. Now GBPUSD is almost the same like the EURUSD. We got over here also that bullish range, and the market from my point of view should also break out bullish. In this case, the weekly level looks a little bit different, because we got over here this whole block over here. For me, this whole block is right now interesting for a potential long setups, but for me, it still looks like the market could eventually go lower than this important liquidity level. This thing over here is super attractive for smart money traders, and I think that they are going to look below this area to buy it. So probably they will push it all the way through this level into this zone over here, and from this zone we will see the bullish continuation. But it's not clear right now, okay? Of course, also here we need some more confirmations to be set up. And this is why also here on GBPUSD, I'm not kind of sure what I should do. So what should I even trade right now? And this is why right now I'm just not touching it, okay? That's why I switched here to more pairs on my watch list. Because for me, GBPUSD is kind of tricky. It's also here still super bearish environment. But it's not clear what it will do. If it will drop now right now straight through this liquidity level, or if it will go up higher to grab some liquidity from the upside before dropping lower. I don't know, guys. It's super tricky. 4 hours are definitely still bearish, but currently kind of providing us here a potential move up, because it is currently respecting this zone over here. And let me just delete this one's not necessary right now. As you can see, it's kind of respecting the zone, and the chances right now that we will see something like this, but also the chances that we will just drop down, or are going to push up a little bit higher and then drop down. Okay, and that's why I'm not touching right now GU. It's way too risky from my point of view. So I do not have the confirmations that I'm looking for. It's not the best setup, definitely not. Just for you a clean explanation, look at this. These are the zones from the GBPUSD, and if we're going to, not clear. So for bullish, we just need to break this one, then it will be clean bullish. But right now, it's something like sideways, and I'm not sure what it will do. USDJPY. Now USDJPY is something which is a little bit more easy, but still USDJPY is not giving me right now any possibilities, because look at this, it's in this bearish range. We're pushing right now from a strong liquidity level, so this whole area over here is strong liquidity. The price is pushing, as you can see, moving lower and lower, and right now facing here another level where the price could potentially go up. And that's what I'm looking for right now. I'm looking for the price to probably switch more bullish from here, because the idea is that it will go up and meet this level again. So this whole range over here are potential shorts. We also got here a potential short. So you got some levels definitely for the USDJPY. Also here is not 100% clear. But from my point of view, it's clear. I'm going to look for shorts. No matter which scenario will play out, so one of these two zones will definitely bring it to the downside. Also here in the between is a zone. So basically you can just take this whole thing, put it over, and you have one major zone, and you can look within this zone to short it. And that's it. It's not that kind of easy right now, and if the price will respect it, then you could go right now for a nice long as well till this area. But let's see, EURGBP. Yeah, EURGBP is, look at this, on a weekly it's bullish. Here is bullish, and here we could look still for a bearish scenario. I mean, we've already tapped into that important level, okay, several times, and the price could from this level here push up higher. But the thing is, on a daily time frame, we didn't test this one, And the chance is good to test this one. As we can see, here is definitely liquidity below. So institutions are definitely interested in bringing the price to the downside. The probability is right now super high that this kind of thing will occur. Right now we got this level and this level. From my point of view, the market will not even break this one. But the chance is that we're going to go till this one. Within this area where we are currently located, all the way up, we can look for a short on the EURGBP. Also long is possible to go a little bit higher, but it's nothing which I will do because the chance right now is super high that we will also reverse at any point. So EURGBP, I'm definitely right now still bearish, and this is why I'm looking for bearish trade setups for a nice bearish move to the downside. EURJPY, also very interesting pair right now, is something which I'm looking for right now to take a trade for a nice long. So on EURJPY, I'm bullish. Why? Look at this. The weekly is already at this important level, and we got another one below. So I got right now two targets, two potential POYs, price of interest, where I'm looking to buy the EURJPY. It's not clear if this one will hold or where currently located. It's not absolutely necessary, but the chance is still super good. As you can see, we perfectly tapped this level and the price is currently pushing. It's pushing and pushing and pushing. Now my next target will be definitely right now for the price to come up. To come up at least here. 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 Let me determine it on the daily. Yeah, more than likely, to be honest with you, more than likely till this one. So I highly expect the price to come up all the way till this zone over here. Okay, if this level will hold, then we will go up till this one. That's the best thing which we can do right now. And if not, then we will go till this level, and then from here I will look for a long. Okay, it's not clear what kind of level EURJPY will respect, but definitely one of these twos it will do. Okay, that's basically it, guys. Okay, so I've told you right now every kind of direction that we can expect, every kind of scenario. We have here our top-down analysis over here, so every single time frame is included that is right now necessary to look for the potential direction for this pair. And yeah, hopefully it will help you with your trading. And yeah, I wish you a great trading week, so the rest of the week should be great for you. I wish you then also a great weekend. And yeah, guys, we will see you then next time with a new video here on my YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow me over here on Instagram. Don't forget to check out my TradingView profile, my link tree, and see you then with the next videos here on YouTube, guys.